Customizing the login and register pages allows you to create a personalized and branded experience for users interacting with your platform. This guide helps you easily set up the look of your login and register pages with simple steps. Navigate to Global Settings and Open Theme. You'll find Pure Basics and Modern Education under Login Register page. Pure Basic is basic settings with minimal options. Modern Education is a theme with advanced settings. Click on the icon under View to preview the page. Select the star icon under Default to make it a default page. Click on Edit under the options of the Pure Basics page. Type the Home Page Title 1 and Home Page Title 2 with the home page text that you want to be displayed on the login page. You can customize the theme colors of the background and text colors. The login page image can be either browsed from your computer or chosen from the library. Toggle the slide to enable or disable the options for the learners under the catalog settings. Change the footer background and text color under Footer Settings. A new page also can be added to the footer by clicking on Add New. To edit the Modern Education page, click on Edit under the options of Modern Education. Under this registration page, login page, and Forgot Password page can be customized. Hope this video helps you to effortlessly customize the appearance of these pages, ensuring a personalized and inviting interaction for your users.